If you're lazy in the kitchen but still want things done right, this one's for you. These Amazon kitchen gadgets are made to save effort, cut prep time, and do the hard work while you relax. From quick fixes to smart shortcuts, they make cooking feel almost effortless. All the gadgets are linked in the description below. Say goodbye to guessing scoops and messy pantry spills. This smart storage system automatically measures and dispenses dry ingredients straight into your bowl with built-in scale accuracy. You just choose weight or volume, and it gives you the exact amount you need every time. It remembers your last setting, which makes repeat recipes faster and smoother. Ingredients stay fresh, portions stay precise, and your kitchen feels. Corn night just got a whole lot easier. This handy corn peeler twists and presses to strip kernels cleanly off the cob with almost no effort. You get smooth, even kernels without pieces flying everywhere or food going to waste. The blade stays safely tucked inside, so your hands stay protected while you work. It breaks down for easy storage, making it perfect for quick meals, cookouts, or prep-heavy recipes. Waffle's just got a fun surprise inside. This stuffed waffle maker lets you bake sweet or savory fillings right into the center, so every bite feels like a treat. You pour the batter, add your favorite filling, and flip it for even cooking on both sides. The outside comes out crispy, while the inside stays soft and loaded. Built-in tongs make serving easy, and the non-stick surface keeps cleanup simple. Mashing potatoes shouldn't feel like an arm workout. This twist-action potato ricer uses a simple turning motion to press food smoothly with far less effort. You get light, fluffy mashed potatoes and silky vegetable purees every time. The stainless steel build keeps it sturdy while staying gentle on your hands. Cleanup is easy too, so you can spend more time enjoying the meal and less time scrubbing. Scrubbing the bathroom doesn't have to wear you out anymore. This cordless spin scrubber does the hard work for you, cutting through grime with rotating power instead of elbow grease. You can switch between gentle cleaning and deeper scrubbing depending on the mess. Multiple brush heads let you clean showers, sinks, tiles, and even windows with one tool. The battery display keeps you in control, so cleaning stays quick and frustration-free. Turn vegetables into fun, healthy noodles in seconds. This spiralizer twists zucchini, carrots, and more into zoodles or spaghetti without awkward pressure. The strong suction cup keeps it steady, while ultra-sharp blades make perfect spirals every time. It's great for low-carb, gluten-free, or veggie-packed meals, and the 4-in-1 design handles slicing, grating, and creating garnishes effortlessly. Cleanup is simple with the included brush, and the recipe book inspires fresh ideas for every meal. Peeling veggies just got a lot more fun and hands-on. These finger peelers slip right onto your fingertips like rings, letting you work directly on potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. The soft rubber grip keeps your hands comfortable, while the stainless steel blade handles peeling quickly and safely. They're lightweight, easy to use, and even protect your fingers from scratches. With 4 colorful peelers, you'll always have one ready for the next task. Keep your pantry fresh with almost no effort. This electric mason jar vacuum sealer removes air from wide or regular mouth jars with just a push of a button. It locks in freshness, extending the life of grains, nuts, coffee, and leftovers. The cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere, while included lids and converters cover all your jar sizes. Quick, hands-free sealing keeps your food safe and your kitchen clutter-free. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier and tastier. This multifunctional sandwich maker grills sandwiches, waffles, and even small steaks quickly and evenly. Non-stick surfaces mean you use less oil, and cleanup is a breeze. It heats up fast, so you can have a fresh, hot meal in minutes. Compact and kid-friendly, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or a quick morning snack. Take your barbecue game to the next level without the smoke and mess. This vertical rotisserie spins your kebabs, meat, or veggies automatically, so every side gets cooked evenly. The spiral forks keep food steady, and the handles stay cool to the touch while you relax. With high-temp stainless steel heating and 360-degree rotation, everything gets a perfect golden finish without sticking. It's easy to clean, set the timer, and enjoy a hands-free, delicious grill every time. Skip the wait for your favorite drinks. This smart water dispenser pours the perfect amount of hot or cold water instantly, ideal for coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. Its sleek design fits right on your countertop, adding style to convenience. No plumbing needed, just plug in and enjoy. Smart reminders let you know when it's time to refill, keeping your drinks ready whenever you need them. Say goodbye to complicated meal prep and hello to effortless cooking. This 6-in-1 glass air fryer lets you air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and even re-crisp with ease. The set comes with multiple glass containers and snap lock lids, so you can cook, store, or freeze without extra dishes. Powerful heating cooks everything evenly, from a whole chicken to crispy veggies, while the precise temperature control guarantees perfect results. Safe, non-toxic, and easy to clean. It's a kitchen powerhouse that makes feeding the family simple. Cooking just got smarter and faster right on your countertop. This smart oven air fryer roasts, air fries, bakes, and even dehydrates with 13 different functions, giving you endless meal options. Its intelligent heating system directs power exactly where it's needed, so food cooks evenly without cold spots. Super convection ensures crisp fries, golden roasts, and perfectly dehydrated snacks every time. With its extra-large interior, you can cook a whole chicken, bake muffins, or toast bread, all in one sleek, easy-to-use appliance. Ice on demand is finally here, and it's faster than ever. This portable countertop ice maker churns out fresh bullet-shaped cubes in just 6 minutes. With a quiet compressor and smart sensors, it lets you know when the basket is full or the water is low, so you never run out. The compact design and sturdy handle make it perfect for home, camping, RVS, or parties. Easy to use, self-cleaning, and energy efficient. It keeps cold drinks flowing without any hassle. Say goodbye to juggling multiple appliances for your drinks. This all-in-one electric kettle and beverage dispenser lets you brew hot tea or coffee and serve iced beverages with ease. The built-in infuser handles loose leaves or tea bags, while the digital temperature control keeps everything just right. A drip-free spigot makes pouring smooth, and the large 3-liter capacity keeps drinks flowing for parties or office gatherings. Safe, easy to clean, and versatile, it's perfect for entertaining or daily wellness. Keep your drinks cold and your food fresh, no matter where you go. This 45-quart cooler uses frost vault technology to keep items cool and dry, so sandwiches stay separate from ice. With durable all-terrain wheels, you can roll it over grass, sand, or gravel without a fuss. The large interior fits dozens of cans or ice-filled beverages, making it perfect for camping, picnics, or beach trips. Built tough with thick insulation, it keeps ice for days while giving you easy access to your favorite snacks. Chopping vegetables just got lightning fast and precise. This electric Scallion Slicer handles garlic, ginger, chili, potatoes, and more in seconds. With adjustable thickness and multiple feed ports, you can slice exactly how you like, while bonus blade discs let you switch sizes without stopping. The sturdy aluminum body and sharp stainless steel blades deliver long-lasting performance. Easy to clean and maintain, it makes meal prep effortless, saving you time in the kitchen. Turn your food scraps into nutrient-rich soil without leaving your kitchen. This smart waste system composts shells, grounds, and leftovers in just 3 hours. Compact, quiet, and energy efficient, it fits seamlessly on your countertop. Say goodbye to smelly trash and hello to eco-friendly living. With simple operation and a powerful design, it helps reduce food waste while creating healthy compost for your plants. Make washing fruits and veggies effortless and even a little fun. This fruit cleaner spinner scrubs every piece with soft bristles and TPE tabs in a 720-degree vortex, removing dust, wax, and residue without scratching. Just turn the crank, no electricity needed, and watch as grapes, berries, and more get perfectly clean in seconds. The large bowl doubles as a colander for draining and serving, making prep simple. Big enough for the whole family, it's perfect for parties, meals, or healthy snacking anytime. Bring the ice cream parlor home with this soft serve machine. It whips up frozen yogurt, sorbet, gelato, or ice cream in just 20 minutes. No ice or salt needed. Add sprinkles, chocolate chips, or warm fudge as it dispenses for a personalized treat. The see-through lid and easy levers make serving fun and mess-free, straight into cones or bowls. Compact, fully automatic, and easy to clean, it turns any day into a sweet celebration. Dishes don't have to pile up anymore, even in small spaces. This portable countertop dishwasher cleans plates, cutlery, and even baby bottles with 6 smart programs. The built-in 5-liter tank means no plumbing is needed. You can place it anywhere, from apartments to RVs. Spray arms reach every corner for sparkling results, and the drying mode keeps everything clean and odor-free. Compact, energy efficient, and easy to use, it makes dishwashing effortless for the whole family. Turn fresh fruits and veggies into nutrient-packed juice with ease. This slow masticating juicer squeezes every drop, giving up to 99% juice yield while keeping nutrients intact. The touchscreen offers multiple modes for soft fruits, hard produce, and even frozen treats, while an adjustable end cap lets you control pulp output. Safe, quiet, and easy to use, it has no sharp blades and works for the whole family. Cleanup is simple with detachable parts and a handy brush, making juicing effortless every day. Say goodbye to pre-shredded cheese and hello to fresh, fast, and safe grating. This rotary cheese grater shreds, slices, or grinds cheese, nuts, and even cookies in seconds, 12 times faster than doing it by hand. The handle keeps your hands away from sharp stainless steel blades, while the strong suction base keeps it steady on any countertop. 3 interchangeable blades let you choose the perfect texture for salads, tacos, or desserts. Easy to take apart and clean. It's a simple tool that makes food prep a breeze. Straining pasta, vegetables, or fruits has never been easier. These clip-on strainers attach securely to any pot or bowl, letting you pour without spills. Made from heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, they're safe, durable, and odor-free. Compact and easy to store, they save space in crowded kitchens. When you're done, simply release the clips for quick cleanup or toss them in the dishwasher. Convenience and safety in one simple tool. Making fresh baby food is simple with this all-in-one steam and blend machine. It cooks, steams, and purees right in the same bowl, cutting down on dishes and prep time. Choose silky, smooth, or chunky textures with manual, pulse, or auto blending. The pre-programmed cycle lets you multitask while it works, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Fresh, homemade meals have never been easier or more convenient for your little one. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.